Tutu, he used to come to my grand's house. And we were born from a poor family.
Bazilila ziyathonda inyembezi abomakhelwane bakachopolele kuDesmond Tutu bathi bebalilela kuye ungeze umuzwe anyaza. Kunamathuba okwehla kwentengo yepetroli ukusukela ngeveke zako.
On its head.
Agent taken. Oh my goodness, the resistance comes to an end.
Izinto akhange zikhambe ngokwehlelo laso isiqhema sekhethu secricket emidlalweni wetest yanamhlanje. Isanganiselwe etafuleni lendaba zesiNdebele kwa SABC zethulwa zisachisa akhulu mzomkhulu. Abomakhelwana bakaMbishopi ongasekho ephasini uDesmond Tutu bathi ube umuntu olungileko begodu angamnyazi umuntu onganalitho. Namhlanje bekuhlangenwe emzini wakhe kuyokubekwa khona amathuthumbo. Bamkhumbula ngesisa ebekanaso nangesipho sokuthanda abantu nangesandla sakhe esifuthumeleko ebekasiza ngaso abantu bendawo ebekakhe nabo.
Bugidingwa ipilo yomfundisi obebambe mahlangothi wonke oyiphile ngokupheleleko ipilo yakhe aziwa iphasi lonke. Leli bekulikhaya lika Desmond Tutu ukusukela ngo1975 ukuye eminyakeni yabo 2000. Wabhala nakuthiwa bamnikela indlu edrobheni ngemva kokuthi abe mbishop omkhulu eJohannesburg. Akhe ngathanda ukuba yindanda kubuka kunalokho wadzimelela emrabhini yakhe elokithi. Abomakhelwana bathi bongeze bewucheje no umuntu oqhakathekileko bekalochisa abe atitshe nomuntu wonke.
Babu Tutu, he used to come to my grand's house. And we were born from a poor family. And umama nogogo babethuka ukuthi ubaba Beverly Hills, this place is called Beverly Hills. Ukuthi thina election lakudala zongena ezindlini zethu. Umama Tutu, she used to come ekhaya azodla umroho nomamam. Oh, Babu Tutu no Mam Tutu magu December time. They used to bring groceries. Tubonke abogogo bala.
Gandhi njengomuntu wesondo ilihlo lakhe belangapheleli kezesondo kwaphela. Laba basebenze naye bathi wabafunza ifundo wabakhuthaza ukuthi na ufuna ukuthuthuka ngempilo khuthalela incwadi.
He also pushed us to improve ourselves academically, to go as far as we could. But when we reached those heights, he would come back to us and say, well, you know, that's not very important. What's important is the love that you will display in your ministry, the love of Christ.
Abanye bakhona lapha basuka ngitsho nemalahleni eMpumalanga nakibo Standerton bazokubhodla emswanini balithonga lizwilinye lokuthi akekho zabasafana naye.
It is my prayer that we will have the boldness to confront our reality and pledge our lives as they have done. Archbishop Desmond Tutu lived a life of servanthood. He did not seek personal gain, and that is why he spoke so fearlessly against corruption.
Abaholi bezepolitiki baba abantu ukuthi balandele enyathelweni zombishopi uTutu. Kusasa yihleko yephiko lesondo leJohannesburg ekungile ezabele lisingethe ikonzo yesikhumbuzo eSt Mary's Cathedral.
Bishop uTutu solathoma ukwenza lo msebenzi bekawenzela isitshaba bekawabekela phambili namalungelo wabantwana enahleni lena ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle. Abantwana nabo balitholile ithuba lokuthi bamkhumbule.
Hlangana nenkulumo zakhe ezinye eziveza ithanda nalo ebantwaneni ngezithi abantwana basiphe isikarisako bandla ngakavami wokuhlola ihliziyo yendo bahona nokuveza eyona into khona lapho. Enleya Tutu Legacy Foundation seyisikhathi isebenza nabantwana. Ngo2010 uAktutu watlola iBhayibheli abantwana kulelwa nakamanye amalimi. Kuyo yonke impilo yakhe ubezibophelele ukuvikela abantwana khulukhulu labo abasebujameni bokuthi bangacaphazeka lula.
We want to come to a South Sudan and see healthy children playing on the playgrounds of beautiful, well-built schools where all its inhabitants are healthy.
Nabo abantwana bebamkhuluphele banjalo nje bamhlonipha. Nakhu abantwana beSouth Africa abamkhumbula ngakho.
He was the first black Archbishop of Cape Town. He was the head of the Truth and Reconciliation. He won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1984. He won the Templeton Prize in 2012.
I was shocked by the things he done for this world as a bishop and a politician, a peacemaker. He was also well known for his hard work as an anti-apartheid and human rights activist.
He loved giggling, laughing, kids, and telling jokes.
uTutu ube indoda elungileko begodu athanda abantu ubekuthanda ukuhleka ubethanda ukuhleka isigagaga na ungamaziko bongacabanga bona uyathima kanti umuntu onjalo.
The thing is that this school was celebrating 400 years of existence.
Nakusenjalo ingikhulume ebezibuthene esondweni iSt Peter's Anglican Church eBloemfontein Freystata zimhlathulule njengomuntu ebekachotshozela ukuthula umbhishophi uTutu. Zithi ubekwazi ukuhlanganisa inchaba ngokwenkolo ezihlukahlukeneko wanangempilo yakhe asebenzela isitshaba ngokweqiniso.
As the psalmist Psalm 90 reminds us, our time here on earth is 70 years.
He was able to bring Christ on earth, because he was so incarnational that he would come down to the level of the people and still rise to the occasion when the needs arises.
Banye bamthokoza nangenkondlo.
His courage, tenacity, strength, wisdom, humility, forgiveness, respect, integrity, and share will power a heart act to follow.
Inthunywa zombuso weFreystata nazo ziphumelela ukufika kile konzo.
The entire Tutu family, thank you for sharing the arch with us. To the Anglican Church, your loss is our loss. We dip our banners in honor of the last peace laureate of our beautiful motherland, South Africa.
Umbhishophi Emeritus Desmond Tutu uthathwa njengomchotshozeli obekathembekile nakulisana nebandlululo.
Mnyango wezempilo Limpopo ngomunye weminyango ezinye imfunda nayo emagamawo aveleko embikweni omhloli incwadi zombelele ngokusebenzisa imali engangemali ukulilisa abantu emacaleni obudlapha nokwelashwa abantu. Asizwe umbono umbukeli ngombuzo esiwuthumele ekhasini lethu leFacebook.
Mkhathi umnyango wezempilo kufanele ucache ama supervisor empedlela abantu abagade laba amanesi nabelaphi empedlela ngoba manje bayavilapha umuntu naka applyela umbereko uba serious atnesela utholile bese udosa inyawo
ukuthi emnyango wezempilo igovernment yethu ayikagcinisa isandla bonyana abasebenzi babo benza umbereko wabo ngendlela erehe.
Ngicabanga ukuthi emanesi badinga i-training eningi ukuzophela lezinto ezenzakala ama mistake akhona esibhedlela amaningi ebanye uyabona ukuthi information yabo incane kakhulu.
Kanti kuba yini kufanele intwele ivele ngeva kokuthi kuhlolwe incwadi ukuthi imali iberekiswe njani? Abayilungise musisaphuma ibudget ukuthi imali ebayikhiphako ilingane imbereko kufanele yowenza ngaleyo ndlela angeke imorosakale.
Ngisola laba balephezulu laba because corruption ithoma ngabo musi, so that's why kuhlala kuna udlaba.
Naba baphathi bazebhedlela basuke befuna ukuyifakela okuthile nabo emaphakethini khona sekusebenza imali ngendlela engemthetho nanokuthi ke lesifo sifikile COVID senze izinto zangabe isahamba ngendlela so then usuwaste ungasazi ukuthi waste kanjani
abantu abangamanesi ngoku abaya kuba bekubizo loba lokuthanda kuba ngamanesi baye nje kuba bengena imisebenzi befuna ukwenza imali
le mali okubuhlungu ukuthi njengoba ichitheka nje ayabakhokhi bentela ekugcineni futhi abantu abazoza kakhulu osopolitiki okuzogcina futhi kungabe bikho umuntu oboshwayo ngale kuchitheka kwale mali le.
Umbono le ngumbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Umnyango wezifundo esifundeni seMpumalanga unethemba lokuthi abafundi bazokusebenza kuhle nonyaka nje enihlahlubene zika matric. Impumela ka matric kulindeleke bona imenyezelwe ngomhla ka 21 inyangeni ezako eUniversity yeMpumalanga. Kodwa nabafundi abahloleko sebaphela ihliziyo ngombana batsho likude khulu ilangelo.
Hlekana amabhudango amahle namambi ukuphasa nokufeyila kulabo abasalindele imphumela yabo. Abafundi ithemba labo sebalibeke esimemezelweni esikhulu esizako. Abafundi esikhulumisene nabo bathukiwe bathi kubudisana ukulinda isikhathi eside kangaka. Nokho banethemba ngoba nisekela balithola eminyakeni lo wonke libasizile bona basebenze kuhle enhlahlubeni zabo zokuphela komnyaka.
Receiving support from the parents and our teachers and also other peers at school, it was a relief of the load that's there.
Umnyango wezefundo nawo unethemba lokuthi imphumela izokuba mihle.
Quite optimistic that we will get satisfactory results. We wish that everyone can make it. We had the biggest number this year, more than 69,000 full-time learners.
Nakusenjalo ihlangano engameli inhlangano ezilawula inkolo isamukele isiqundo somnyango wezefundo esisekelo sokukhupha imphumela mvanyana ngoChihweni.
Fortunately, on the 24th of December, we had a meeting with the department nationally where they were trying to fill us up on the processes that they have undertaken as a department during the process of the marking. And then, I think we agreed on a number of issues. All that is, we are just waiting to allow Malusi to do their moderation and all these other processes that needs to be undertaken by Malusi. So that is why it's going to take a little bit longer for them to release the results because Malusi must first verify them.
Umnyango uba ababelethi bona abarakele phambili nokusekela abafundi ngalesi sikhathi njengoba nabasalindele imphumela ka matric.
Nasibuya endolo.
So inkinga esinazo lazi khulu ngoba ngingangena abantwana asazi ukuthi sibathathe sibasebenzise inlukazi zethu asazi ukuthi sizise kuphi.
Bayalila abantu bangeMostorlo seLimpopo bathi uNibijara bayomdlela ebaleni ngemva komoya obenzela omkhulu umonakalo abanye basala embedlela. Sikene sigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 usanda ukufika siyakwamukela nawe ekhamisana nathi. Imndeni eminingi esilahliwe ngeMostorlo seLimpopo ngaphakathi kwaMasipalata weElias Motsoaledi nakezinye indawo eziseduze iselebaleni ngemva komoya omkhulu wangomvulo ophephula imizi wagereza amaboda bewalimaza nabanye abantu.
Bakhulelwe zinhloko abantu balapha bathi uNibijara bayomdlela ebaleni basararekile bona moyo njani lo ofike ngendlovu yangena wathi umonakalo bewalimaza nabantu kukunje abantu basalenga ukubutha okunobhadekeleko kulila eyamura mahlangothi wonke bathi khona kuvamile bona ngalesi sikhathi somnyaka kube nesiwuruwure endaweni leyo kodwana okwenzeke nonyaka nje bayathoma ukubona. Abanye babalekele nihlobeni nemasondweni abanye baphanyeke inseyila abakubawa kokuthi nangaba nomuntu nomusa abasize kungaba ngcono ngomana abazi ukuthi abantwana babasephi nakunje naboko kwabalupheleko basemrareni kandi amanye amalunga wemindeni asembedlela.
inkinga esinazo la zikhulu ngoba njenganje abantwana asazi ukuthi sibathathe sibase kuphi inlukazi zethu asazi ukuthi sizise kuphi abantu abaluphele kubunzima njenganje nasithi siyacheka unyaka naku usimothele imali into lenathi senzele nje umhlolo esingakwazi ukuthi singakayilindeli into enjengale so besibawe phele vela from kini nakumasipala ngoba bathi bezile abantu bakamasipala but ngisengakabona umehluko mina ngoba sisengaphandle totally
nemrambo ukuthi nje enezingozi izinto ayisireka abantwana bakhona ukuphila ngaphandle ngoba uyathula
SABC semlalamela umasipalata we-Ilas Mutswaledi wathi batsho kwaKhadesi bayile bayokuhlola banikela ngokudla impontshi zokulala nendawo zesikhatshana kilabo abonakalo lokhulu kodwa nabathi endabeni yokwakhela kwabongazimbi bazokulawula kuphumelela kwesibawo sabo emnyangweni wozokuhlaliswa kwabantu.
We have visited the affected families. Currently, some of the affected residents are staying with their relatives, neighbors, and some are using churches for temporary shelter. We have provided the affected families with the food parcels, the blankets, and the mattress for temporary relief.
Umasipalata lo uthi uthumele insebenzi zehlala kuhle ama-social work ukuthi akhamba athoba imindeni ethindekileko ngokomkhumbulo. Nanyana kunjalo imindeni eminye iyokungena eminyakeni omutsha ingazi bona izokwakhelwa nofana njani nakhona nini. Bathi sesebaqalele ukuthi mhlawumnye kuza kuba nomuntu onomusa ozobasiza ngalesi sikhathi esibudisi. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba za SABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ikoro ezokuthengiswa kotshwala ithi kilama holiday ukuphela komnyaka ibusiness ibonakala isebenza kuhle khulu kunangumnyaka opheleleko. Bathi lokho kwenzeke naphezulu kokuthi kusesekhona imithetho yokuqinelisa amakhambo lapha eSouth Africa.
Ibubulo lezokudidiyelwa kotshwala liqindeliswe kanenginengi ukuthengiswa utshwala. Solo kwathoma ukwehla ingogwana iCoronavirus. Kodwa ngamaholiday wanonyaka nje kube ngcono kabasebenza kilomhlobo webusiness. Ekulumeni kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ayethule yamhlapha nje wamemezela ukuthi kuza kuraga ukuthengiswa kotshwala. Umkhandlu owengamele imithetho yeCovid-19 nawusaqalisise ubungako bokuthelela kwabantu ngengogwana le. Bayabuka bekoro yezotshwala bona nokho akhange buvalwe utshwala.
As ama-liquor traders and specifically as ama-taverns, sifuna ukusho ukuthi lesikhathi esisitholile sokuthi siqhubeke sidayisa utshwala siyasiza ukuthi sirecover from ama-losses lawa sawasafara from ama-alcohol bans lawa sibuya kuwona. Kubalekile ukuthi siqhubeke sisupporte umphakathi wethu, support government yethu ukuthi silisane nama-road carnages lawa enzeka ngesizathu sokuthi abantu baphuze ngokweqile.
Zandile izehlakalo zengozi zendlela ngonobangela wabantu abachayela abahamlile. Nanyana kunjalo iyangezeleleka imbono yabantu abafisa ngathana uMengameli ungezelela isikhathi sokukhamba ebusuku ngelanga lokugcina lomnyaka. Ihlangano yama-restaurants eSouth Africa isekelana nabantu abathi akwandiswe isikhathi sokuba sendleleni ngelanga lokugcina lokuphela komnyaka. Ngombana abukho ubufakazi besayensi ofakazela ukuthi ukuvulela abantu ukuthi bakhambe bekiyokusa ngelanga lokugcina lomnyaka kuzokwandisa ukutheleleka kwabantu ngengogwana.
We absolutely support all lobby groups in the hospitality and tourism industry for the lifting of the curfew. The reason for lockdown is that it was to adequately prepare the healthcare system and site necessary beds. What we do know is that there's absolutely no evidence that curfew prevents the spread of the virus, or no scientific data to say by lifting the curfew that we will see an influx in infections.
Inaga le balwahlangana kwezinye ezilwisana nesigaba sesine sengogwana. Njengombana kubonakala zanda ngobutsha izehlakalo zokutheleleka emazweni eEurope nakamanye amazwe. AmaSouth Africa akhuthazwa ukuthi aragele phambili ngokulandela imithetho ebekiweko ye-COVID-19 nokuthi bambathe ama-mask ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Unyaka omutsha ngathi uza nendaba ezimnandi kezepetrol.
Abantu abanenkoloyi bathuke khulu nabaza kuzwa bona intengo yepetroli ikhuphuka nge-20.35 ilitha ekuthomeni kwenyanga. Lokhu kwenzeke ngemva kokuwa kwamandla weranda la yokuba yi-16.15 nalinganiswa nedola leAmerika. Kodwa nje selinamandla iranda, lokho okwenza umkhanyo entengweni yepetroli.
the rand-dollar exchange rate has remained somewhere between 15.5 and 16 rand 20 to the dollar. So there is not going to be a major change in the petrol price on account of the rand's movements. Similarly, when one looks at the price of oil, it came down quite sharply towards the end of November and has only begun rising again most recently. So if you combine these two trends, there is a chance that the petrol price will come down to below 20 rand a litre when the new petrol price is announced later this week.
Ivalo lokwehla komhlobo omutsha wecorona iOmicron emazweni angaphetsheya kwamalwandle kubangela ukuthi kwehle nesidingo sokufuneka kweolehlaza. Lokho kwabangela ukuthi kwehle nentengo yeolehlaza. Umnyango wezenjiya ulindeleke ukuthi umemezele amachuguluko wentengo yepetroli ngelesihlanu.
Kulandela ubujamo bezulu nobusayi Mathebula Salanomusa.